I think I'm starting a UGC trend, and I say I think because I don't know if anyone's ever done it before. If you have, then I take this back, but if you have a creative strategy or direct response marketing background, I encourage you to participate because I think it's going to be really cool to be able to show everyone what makes a UGC ad. Today, I'm going to be spotlighting consistent content, which their founder is Sheridan Holland, and I'm excited to break down why her UGC ad is awesome.
Why would you eat regular mushrooms when you can eat these? Gummies that are in all reality tasteful benefits for your mind and body. They give me natural energy where I could ditch the coffee. They're made with 10 adaptogenic mushrooms that give me more focus and a better mood. I'm insisting you try these gummies. Why would you eat regular mushrooms when you can eat?
She establishes a hook. Why would you eat mushrooms when you can eat these? As marketers, we follow a formula when creating any direct response ad, whether it's UGC content, re-optimizing pre-existing assets, or new assets that were recently shot during a production. This always includes a hook because the goal is to hook your audience within 3 to 5 seconds. That way, hopefully, they'll watch the ad, click through to the landing page, and eventually make a purchase. But I don't want to go too far. We're going to keep going through the video, but a great hook, a great copy hook, a great audio hook, and a great visual hook.
Gummies that are in all reality tasteful benefits for your mind and body.
No matter what the CPG product is, it's always great to incorporate taste factor because at the end of the day, a customer who is purchasing a CPG product has to like the taste. So she led with that value prop first, which is great.
I mean, natural energy where I could ditch the
And she follows it with the value prop of being able to ditch coffee because the supplement gives her energy, which is, again, another solid value prop. You're telling me that I could replace a cup of coffee with taking the supplement? Sold, because my adrenal glands are fatigued.
They're made with 10 adaptogenic mushrooms that give me more focus and a better mood. I'm insisting you try them.
Adaptogenic mushrooms, it's a mouthful, are really big right now for a lot of CPG products. So the fact that Sheridan made a point to reference this is also important. Like, duh, it's the product, but also it's super trendy right now. We put adaptogenic mushrooms in our teas, in our coffees, and now in our supplements. So that's definitely a leading value prop. Followed by better focus, better mood, and of course a CTA where she recommends the product. Not that I'm a teacher, but A+ for Sheridan. And if you don't already follow her, what are you doing?